Hello guys, I am Bluebird and today our topic is Gate Launch Pool and it is newly added and its name is YBDBD and my project is YBDBD and Gate Launch Pool newly added YDBD stake USDT and Ethereum to earn rewards delivered in real time. YBDBD will be launched on Gate Launchpool Stake USDT and Ethereum to earn YBDBD token rewards every hour. Uh, Airdrop details staking period June 6, 2025 at 12 a.m. to June 16, 2025 at 12 a.m. UTC. Total staking rewards equal to 16 million YBDBD. Unlocking rules. Unlocking rules. 100% unlock. Get launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launches and ensuring your assets before the project officially launches and ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. And your distribution reward, the system will distribute token rewards to user support accounts every hour based on proportion of assets staked by each other. And the newcomer exclusive staking pool, only new users who sign up after June 4, 2025 at 12 a.m. are eligible. How to participate? Log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool. Hold at least zero point 0.1 USDT or 0.00003 Ethereum. Click stake. And project information. Yababa the Babadoo is a playful community-driven GameFi project set in whimsical prehistoric world. Players defend their Stone Age village from wild creatures in a tower defense style game, ensuring YBDBD tokens as rewards. These tokens can be used in the Bedrock Marketplace, a unique digital store where users trade items, tools, and essentials built on the Binance Smart Chain. The project blends meme culture, fun, gameplay, and real token utility. With a vibrant ecosystem, retro cartoon charm, and strong focus on community engagement, Dababadoo brings the spirit of adventure and hammer to the world of crypto gaming. Gate Labs investment and disclosure. Gate Labs did not invest in WebDBD and notes. There are some notes, and here is Gate Launch Pool is an Gate Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake Gate token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. And please adhere to the relevant rules of relevant event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in disqualification of the rewards. Please adhere to relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple. Include users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in this event, game, or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted locations. And there are risk warnings. The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest in caution with cautious and don't invest beyond our financial capacity. The crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto assets investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical and regulatory and marketing factors. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of project or gate. Gate to crypto trade over 3,700 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. This is the our project YBDBD and mm, yeah, Baba. The Baba 2 is a playful community-driven game 5 project uh, set in a whimsical prehistoric world. Players defend their Stone Age village from wild creatures in a tower defense style game and ensuring webby DBD tokens as rewards. These tokens can be used in the Bedrock Marketplace, a unique digital store where users trade items, tools, and essentials. Built on Binance Smart Chain, the project blends meme culture, fun gameplay, and real token utility with a vibrant ecosystem, retro cartoon charm, and strong focus on community engagement. Yababa Dababa Do brings the spirit of adventure and hammer to the world of crypto gaming. And you can stake the Ethereum. The prize pool hourly cap is 47,916.66 YBDBD, and mining period is 10 days. Individual hourly reward cap is 8,624.99 YBDBD, and total staked equal to 24,047.219,357 Ethereum, and APR is 1.39%. You can stake YBDBD by clicking on stake. If you are a old user, means existing users, you have to stake the Ethereum. The minimum Ethereum you can stake is 0.00003. And if you are a new user, you can stake USDT here, and minimum you can stake 0.1 USDT. This is the official website of YBDBD, and our world is coming to life. We cannot wait to share it with you. We are building an existing uh, prehistoric adventure with Yababa Dababa Do. Get ready to defend, build, and explore in a unique play to earn game. And if we play the Yababa Dababa YBDBD, and there is no other things on this official websites, like okay, let's get some introduction about Yababa Dababa Do. Welcome to the world of uh, Yabba Dabba Do. Welcome to the Yabba Dabba Do, where the prehistoric meets the digital and fun takes the wheel. Imagine a world filled with dinosaurs, Stone Age cars, and vibrant communities, now powered by blockchain technology. Our mission is simple: bring laughter, adventure, and real value to the crypto space with a meme coin that's as entertaining as it is rewarding. Get ready to embark on an epic journey where you can defend your bedrock inspired village and trade in a lively marketplace and earn YBDBD tokens while having a yabba dabba good time. Our mission, fun rewards and community. Uh, at Yabba Dabba Do, our goal is to create an ecosystem where players, investors, and enthusiasts can come together to enjoy fun, gamified experiences that entertain and engage. Rewards, a play to earn structure that turns gameplay into tangible benefits. And the community, a vibrant network of individuals united by laughter, creativity, and collaboration. This is not just about a token, it's about a lifestyle. We are bringing back the charm of Stone Age with a modern twist to build a community that thrives in joy and shared success. And the prehistoric meme coin revolution. In a world flooded with meme coins, Yabba Dabba Doo stands out by coming the best of two worlds. The humor of a meme, with its light-hearted prehistoric theme, YBDBD brings laughter and nostalgia to cryptospace. The utility of a token. Unlike many meme coins, YBDBD is designed to fuel an entire ecosystem complete with gameplay, staking, and a marketplace. We are here to revolutionize what a meme coin can do. All while having a yabba dabba do time, join us as we drive our Stone Age car into the future of crypto. Next is the yabba dabba do story. The bedrock origins long ago in a land of rolling green hills, friendly dinosaurs, and stone built homes. The world of bedrock thrived. Here, villagers worked together to build a tight knit community where adventure and laughter were part of daily life. But as times changed, the villagers discovered a new challenge: the need for connection and growth in a modern world. That's when the Yabba Dabba Do evolution began. From defending their villages against mischievous creatures to creating a bustling marketplace, the people of Bedrock knew that teamwork and creativity were the keys to success. Their resilience and fun-loving spirit laid the foundation for a prehistoric world like no other. A community built on adventure. As the heart of Yabba Dabba Do is the spirit of adventure, whether it's building Stone Age fortress, riding dino-powered cars, or exchanging treasures in the bedrock and marketplace, the community thrives on exploration and collaboration. Every YBDBD token earned through gameplay for staking represents a piece of this shared journey. Our players are not just participants, they are the builders, adventurers, and protectors of a vibrant, ever-growing ecosystem. From dinosaurs to digital, our journey, uh, what started as a playful nod to a prehistoric world, has become a cutting edge crypto ecosystem. Yabba Dabba Do takes the best elements of the Stone Age community, creativity, humor, and brings them into digital age. Our journey bridges the past and the future, from stone tools to blockchain tech, transforming the tools of Stone Age into a gamified digital economy, from the village life to global community, connecting players and investors from all corners of the world, from laughs to legacy, building a project that's not only but also meaningful and sustainable. Yabba Dabba Do is more than a game, a token, or a marketplace. It's a movement. Together we rewriting history one token at a time. Next is what makes Yabba Dabba Do unique. Prehistoric fun meets blockchain technology. Yabba Dabba Do is not just an other project, it's a time machine that transports you to a vibrant prehistoric world. Now, powered by cutting edge blockchain technology, we have taken the nostalgia and humor of the Stone Age and focused it with transparency, security, and innovation of crypto. Imagine riding dino pulled cars, defending your bedrock village, and trading in a lively marketplace, all while earning YBDBD tokens. It's not just a game, it's a digital adventure where fun and technology collide. A meme with purpose behind the laughs. Yabba Dabba Do proudly wears its memes coin badge, but this is not just about the laughs and nostalgia. While we celebrate the humor of the storm age, our project is designed with real utility in mind. Unlike many meme coins that fizzle out after the joke fades, YBDBD fuels an entire ecosystem. A play to earn model where your efforts turn into tangible rewards, a marketplace that enables the real interactions and transactions, a community driven vision that puts players and investors at the center of everything. We believe a meme coin can be fun, engaging, and impactful all at once, and we are here to prove it. Gamified rewards and ecosystem. What sets the Yabba Dabba Do apart is its gamified ecosystem. Every action you take, whether defending your village, staking tokens, or participating in community events, earns you a reward. The YBDBD token is not just a currency. It's your key to unlocking endless opportunities in Bedrock universe. Here's what makes our gamified ecosystem truly special. Play to earn gameplay. Earn tokens by building, defending, and exploring. Bedrock Marketplace. Use your tokens to shop for unique items and upgrades. Community rewards. Be part of events and initiatives that make every member feel valued. Yabba Dabba Do transforms what it means to own a meme coin. It's not just about holding, it's about playing, participating, and thriving in a world where fun meets finance. And next topic is YBDBD tokenomics. Total supply is 20 billion YBDBD tokens. The total supply of YBDBD tokens is capped at 20 billion, carefully allocated to the fuel of the ecosystem while promoting sustainable growth and rewarding all participants. This token structure ensures that players, developers, and the community benefits equally as the project grows. Allocation breakdown. Game rewards 40% token reserved for player to earn mechanics, encouraging active participation and rewarding players for their efforts. Distributed progressively as players complete missions, defend their village, and contribute to Bedrock ecosystem. Ecosystem development 30% 6 billion tokens dedicated to building and expanding the Yabba Dabba Do universe, including marketplace, infrastructure upgrades, and ongoing game development. Ensures a vibrant, dynamic, and ever evolving experience for all users. Community engagement 20% and it is 4 billion tokens. Focus on incentivizing community driven events, partnerships, and initiatives, rewards for loyal users and contributors who actively support the project. Staking and liquidity. 10% means 2 billion tokens used to stabilize the token economy and incentivize holders through staking programs. Sports liquidity pools to ensure smooth and seamless transactions across the ecosystem. Next is vesting plan. To ensure long-term sustainability and prevent market volatility, the following vesting schedule has been implemented for non-reward allocations. Ecosystem development. 10% unlocked at launch for immediate project growth. Remaining tokens are vested over 48 months, released monthly to maintain steady development. And community engagement. 20% unlocked at launch for initial community building campaigns. Remaining tokens are vested over 36 months, supporting ongoing engagement efforts. Staking and liquidity. Fully available at launch to support liquidity pools and staking programs. And next is token utility. Wabi DBD tokens power the entire Yabba Dabba Do ecosystem. In-game rewards earn tokens by playing and winning marketplace currency. Use tokens to buy items, upgrades, and unique collectibles and staking rewards. And lock tokens to earn passive income, community participation rewards. Redeem tokens for exclusive event success, access, and rewards. Next is gameplay and ecosystem. Gameplay and ecosystem defend, build, and thrive core gameplay. In the world of Yabab and Dabba every player is both a protector and a builder. The gameplay centers on defending your bedrock-inspired village from mischievous creatures, building fortifications and crafting tools to ensure your community thrives. Defend. The use strategic defenses and prehistoric tools to fend off waves of invaders trying to disrupt your village. Victory brings rewards in the form of YBDBD tokens. Build, construct, and upgrade Stone Age buildings like fortresses, workshops, and community hubs to strengthen your village and unlock new gameplay features. Thrive. Collaborate with other players to trade resources, share strategies, and create a flourishing bedrock society. Every action you take contributes to your growth and rewards, turning your efforts into tangible progress with the ecosystem. The bedrock marketplace where YBDBD comes alive. A bedrock marketplace is the heart of the Yabba Dabba Do economy, where players can spend their hard-earned YBDBD tokens to enhance their gameplay experience, shop for essentials, purchase weapons, building materials, and tools to aid in your defense and expansion efforts. Uh, Trade rare items, discover unique collectibles, and trade them with other players to enhance your village's aesthetic and capabilities. Exclusive offers unlock limited time items and power up that give you an edge in gameplay. The marketplace not only brings utility to YBDBD token but also fosters collaboration and interaction among players, creating a dynamic and engaging environment. Community driven events and rewards. Yabba Dabba Doo is more than just a game, it's a thriving community where collaboration and participation are celebrated. Special events participate in themed events such as dinosaur races, treasure hunts, and building challenges to win rare rewards and tokens. Community contests showcase your creativity and strategic skills in contest that brings players together to ensure ideas and compete for glory. Collaborative missions team up with other players to achieve common goals, unlocking massive rewards and strengthening the community bond. Every event is designed to reward active participation, ensuring that every member of Yabba Dabba Doo family feels valued and engaged. Together, these gameplay events and ecosystem features create a vibrant world where fun, strategy, and rewards come together in perfect harmony, ready to dive into adventure. Next is our roadmap. Phase 1, building the bedrock. Uh, Conceptualization and development establish the foundation of Yabba Dabba Doo, including game design, tokenomics, and ecosystem architecture. Community building launch social channels and initiate community engagement through fun and interactive campaigns. Token launch introduce YBDBD tokens to market, setting up staking pools and initial liquidity. And in the comment section, there is a question that should we hold or sell? And the answer is hold. Token launch introduce YBDBD tokens to the market, setting up staking pools and initial liquidity. Alpha testing conduct private alpha tests for core gameplay features with selected community members. Phase 2 gameplay launch and ecosystem expansion and beta testing. Open beta launch to a broader audience for refining gameplay and gathering feedback. TMA game launch. Official launch of the TMA, the Mighty Adventure game, in January 2025 and features core gameplay mechanics like village defense, resource collection, and token rewards. And Subal Bakir Al Jami, good morning to everyone. Uh, Ecosystem expansion introduce collaborative missions, additional defense levels, and new tools to enhance player experience. Marketplace beta launch the Bedrock marketplace, allowing players to trade YBDBD tokens for in-game items and collectibles. Exclusive drops introduced rare and limited edition items to encourage trading and enhance marketplace activity. Enhanced interoperability integrate NFT support for unique items and player-owned assets within the marketplace. Phase 4 commonly governance and beyond 2016 and beyond. DAO implementation transition governance to the community through a decentralized autonomous organization allowing token holders to vote on major decisions. Global events host worldwide community driven events and tournaments and contests to further solidify the Yabba Dabba Doo community. Continuous upgrades expand the Bedrock universe with a new gameplay features, marketplace updates, and ecosystem integrations. Next is why choose Yabba Dabba Do. A sustainable meme coin with real utility. Yabba Dabba Do is not just an other meme coin, it's a prehistoric revolution with a purpose. While it captures the humor and nostalgia of the Stone Age, YBDBD goes beyond being just a joke. It powers an entire ecosystem where gameplay, staking, and trading come together to create lasting value and by blending entertainment with real world utility. We have built a token that is not just a fun to own but also instrumental in creating a thriving digital economy. Endless fun and rewards for everyone. From defending your village against mischievous creatures to trading rare items in a bedrock marketplace, Yabba Dabba Do is designed to keep players entertained while earning rewards. Our play to earn model ensures that every action you take in the game brings real benefits, making your time both enjoyable and rewarding. Whether you are a casual player, a hardcore strategist, or a crypto enthusiast, there's always something exciting waiting for you in the Yabba Dabba Do universe. Built for the community, powered by players. At Yabba Dabba Do, we believe that a great project is built on the strength of its community. That's why we put players and token holders at the heart of everything we do. Through community driven events, collaborate missions, and eventually decentralized governance, we are empowering our players to shape the future of project. And this is your adventure, your economy, and your bedrock. Together, we are building something truly extraordinary. Yabba Dabba Do is more than just a token or a game. It's a lifestyle, a movement, and a community where fun, collaboration, and innovation come together. So, why wait? Join the prehistoric revolution today. And next is mm, official YBDBD on X. Our word is coming to life and we cannot wait to share it with you. We are building an exciting prehistoric adventure with Yabba Dabba Do. And next is there is a launch pool uh, where you can stake the other coins and YBDBD is here and you can stake Ethereum and USDT. USDT is for newcomers. You can stake these to earn rewards on YBDBD and you can play games on YBDBD and can earn money. And launch pool quick staking on potential new tokens. 528.7 million USDT has been staked on this launch pool and 26.63 billion USDT funds raised and there are 5.38 million plus participants and estimated total rewards are 1.46 million USDT and all pools are 258 and in progress you can see in the progress you can see there are four tokens which are in progress in the YBDBD Total rewards are 16 million YBDBD. Staking period is 10 days. Now 8 days are left. Ending day will be 16/6/2025 at 5 p.m. And next is IGN. IGN is also in progress, and you can see IGN total reward is 7,005,000 IGN, and staking period is 7 days, and it will end in 1 day, 13 hours and 20 minutes. And here you can stake Bitcoin, Gate token, and Ethereum. Next is Sof. Sophone is a platform dedicated to onboarding the next generation, and total rewards of Sophone are 24 million Sophone, and staking period is 10 days, and end time is uh, end time is 8 June 2025, and there are 13 hours and 19 minutes are left in this phone. And next is Soon. Soon has three main products. Soon Stack is the first SVM roll-up stack to bring, and staking period is 30 days, and 1,33,333 Soon are total rewards, and 14 days are left in mining. And Gate Launch Pool facts. What is a Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake Gate token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. How can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, log in to your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. And which coin can I stake in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of page project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewarded? Hourly staking rewards equal to individual latest 1 hour valid staking amount divided by total pool staking amount and multiply them by hourly reward pool, and then the platform will stake multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts each hour, and thus stake the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. How are rewards distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of a personal staking amounts hourly, and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into user support accounts. When will the staked assets be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance or the staking is completed, the stake assets will be transformed to simple earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the staked asset will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount redeemed uh, assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If simple earn does not support the claim of a redeemed token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. Can I redeem my staked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts each hour and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early redemptions may result in loss of accrued rewards. Please maintain stable staking amounts to ensure mining rewards. In addition, each staking pool imposes a daily redemption limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Mm, Please plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your rewards and avoid any potential impact on your earnings. Can I add additional staked assets? You can increase your staked assets at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive staking rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new token mining rewards for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you only stake assets in the pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking rewards will be granted. Please refer to relevant announcements or the mining page for reward hard cap limit for each project. Will staking access in the Gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No assets staked in the Gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculation for HODLER airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. What will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your staked principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR. When the reward coin is staked on coin, APR equal to total rewards released in the last hour and divide by last hour's total staked, multiply by 365 and then multiply by 24, then multiply by 100%. When the reward coin is not staked in coin, APR equal to total reward released in the last hour multiplied by closing price of reward coin of the last hour, then divide by last hour total staked multiplied by closing price of stake coin of last hour, then multiply by 365, then 24, then multiply by 100%. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. Next is how to participate in Gate Launch Pool. Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake Gate token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. Is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. How to join Gate Launch Pool and stake to earn. Log into your Gate account and navigate to the Launch Pool. App Home. In the app, go to Home and then Launch Pool in the web. Click on N, then go to Launch Pool. Choose the staking pool you want to join, click stake, enter the staking amount, click confirm and complete staking. View rewards in reward history after successful staking. And you can see how to stake to earn. These are screenshots which will help you. And mm, these screenshots are for apps, and you can see the screenshot for web. Notes: please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. The staked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the staked assets will be redeemed into support assets. The will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts each hour, and you can increase your staking assets at any time. Please maintain stable staking amounts for ensuring mining rewards. And our next topic is HODLER airdrop. HODLER airdrop, where you can hold the get token and get prizes. And you can see there are many projects here, YBDBD and BDXN, MG8 and Go Home and Paparazzi AMR. These are many projects which are working on its and hold get token and get massive airdrops for free. Cumulative airdrops, there are 33.447 million USDT in cumulative airdrops, and there are 379.7 thousand plus participants in HODLER airdrop, and 247 projects are launched. And you can see the projects here. And there are some facts how to participate in HODLER airdrop. As long as your Gate token holding in Gate account is no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrop without locking or staking Gate token. But we will explain them later. Let's read the HODLER airdrop facts. What is the HODLER airdrop? HODLER airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for Gate token holders. Users only need to hold a certain amount of Gate token to share airdrop tokens based on their holding proportion. What are the requirements to participate in HODLER airdrop? Participants must complete identity verification and hold at least one Gate token. What is the Gate token holding participation limit? The Gate token holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project airdrop announcement. How are airdrop tokens distributed? Once you participate in the event, the system will begin tracking your Gate token holding from the start of project, and it will take multiple redeem snapshots every hour and calculate the hourly average. Your financial reward depends on your average holding throughout the entire event. If you are average holding are below 1 Gate token, you will not be eligible for any rewards. The number of tokens a user ultimately receives equal to user average hourly holding during the event and all participants' total average hourly holding during the event multiplied by total airdrop amount. Can I participate in multiple HOD area airdrops? Yes, as long as you hold enough GATE token at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements, you can participate in multiple HOD area airdrops. Will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? Users holding at least one GET token can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least one GET token at the snapshot time. How can I check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be mm, calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime under unHOD airdrop history. And what should I do if I have not received my airdrop tokens? If you did not receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GATE token holdings at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact customer support. And in the comment section, there is a comment of Saiful Qatari. It is also Saad Habit. And next is how to participate in Get HOD Earlier airdrop. HOD Earlier airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for users holding Get token. Users only need to hold users only need to hold no less than one Get token to claim free airdrops. The more Get token holdings, the more airdrop rewards. And in the comment section, there is a comment of Saifuli Kautarifi, Suba Al Bakhir Al Jami. And good morning to you also. Thank you very much, Saifuli Katarifi. How to join Gate HOD LER airdrop and claim free airdrops. Log into your Gate account and navigate to HOD LER airdrop. In the app, click on, then go to HOD LER airdrop, and in the web, click launch and launch pool and go to HOD LER airdrop. Select the in progress project and click participate now to participate. Participation results can be viewed in the airdrop records or the project claim page. And we have discussed launch pool, HOD earlier airdrop. Next, there are two others, Candy Drop and Launchpad. If we go to Candy Drop, then this is the Candy Drop. Candy Drop complete task to claim airdrops. There are 344.2k total participants and total airdrops are 457.5 thousand airdrops. And you can see there are many projects. You can join them to earn your money. And there are some facts in the Candy Drop. Candy Drop is an airdrop companion launched by Gate. Users can earn candies by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, increasing your chances of winning airdrop rewards. Next is how to earn candies. You can earn candies by completing designated tasks mm, in Candy Drop. Task types include trading specific tokens, deposits, and more. Each completed task will grant you a certain amount of candies. How to verify the completion of event tasks. After completing a task, the platform will automatically verify it without requiring manual validation. You will see a prompt once the task is successfully completed. Next is when will rewards be distributed? Rewards will be distributed to winners get accounts within 14 working days after the event ends and can be viewed in market wallet billing details. Users must complete identity verification before claiming rewards. And next, can the candies be accumulated for next event? Candies are accumulative to each event and cannot be carried out to next one. How to join? Select the project you are interested in and complete the interactive tasks to earn candies. Complete interactive tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn, and the better your chances of getting airdrop rewards will be. Wait for airdrop. Check the reward distribution and status and wait for the airdrops. And next is Launchpad. Launchpad be early to the next big token project. Total committed are 656 million for 514,966 USDT are committed. There are no projects in Launchpad now, and historical projects was PVVS, mm, and you can apply the Launchpad on clicking on this button. And Get Launchpad is a globally leading project launch platform. Join now to give your project more exposure and growth opportunities. What is Get Launchpad? Get Launchpad is an innovative token launch platform. It gives you early access to high potential crypto projects, allowing you to secure your support in the next big launch by subscribing with tokens and getting in before the rest of market. Next is how do I participate in Get Launchpad? Log in and head to Launchpad page, select a project and click comment now. What tokens can I use to subscribe? Most projects accept Get token or USDT. Check the project details for specifics. Will my funds be logged after subscribing? Yes, once your subscription is confirmed, the funds will be temporarily logged. If your subscription is successful, the corresponding amount will be deducted. If not, your funds will be fully unlocked and returned to your spot account. And next is the reference. You can join the Gate.io platform through my reference, and this is my reference link. And then you can invite the friends, startup referral carnival, invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. Invite friends, share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join startup claim successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invitee. Stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invitees within 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. Step 3, swap stars for shares. You can redeem stars for additional claimed shares in the startup. There are some facts. What is the startup star? Startup Star is the exclusive reward of a startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars to swap shares for a project. You can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. How to earn startup stars? New users who complete a minimum of 10 USDT dollars in a spot trading volume within 3 days uh, after registration on this page can earn 100 startup stars. It's exciting. Users can invite new users to register on Gate.io or invite other users to participate in a startup for the first time. Both new users and valid invitees from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invitees from previous day is not less than 1000 USDT, startup stars will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn, and trading volume equal to support volume plus futures volume multiplied by 40%. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup stars. How to swap startup stars? Every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use your startup stars when participating in VIP free airdrops to claim extra free airdrops. Can I receive startup stars every day? For invite to earn, startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invitees in 30-day period. View the announcement for more details. The more invitees reach the volume requirement, the more startup stars will you be receive. Can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup stars swapping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup stars swapping shares are extra shares. In addition to your VIP default shares or startup vouchers, you can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrops. Is there a valid period of startup stars? The startup stars are always valid, but the product upgrade and rules change may lead to invalidation of the startup stars. So please use your stars to swap shares to sooner the better. How many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? The startup stars will be awarded based on the first claim of your invitee friends or their trading volume completed within 30 days following the registration. The trading volume of invitee will be checked on the daily basis from previous day. If it seems or exceeds 1000 USDT, startup stars will be credited to your account. The more the invitee trades, the more startup stars will you earn. We will take a snapshot of trading volume of the invitee from the previous day at 12 a.m. UTC every day. Startup stars will be issued at 2 a.m. UTC every day. Startup stars can be swapped for shares of VIP free airdrop at a rate of 100 stars for one share. Please note that there is a cap of 40,000 stars per project, allowing a maximum of 4,000 shares to be swapped for each project. And there is a notice. Star redemption is unsupported for projects with total claim shares less than 1,000, and star redemption is only available for startup airdrop projects and is unsupported for non-airdrop projects. And participants should adhere strictly to the event rules. Any form of cheating is strictly prohibited and will result in immediate disqualification from receiving any prizes. Market makers, companies, and institutional accounts are not allowed to participate in this event. If there is any discrepancy before other languages and English version of this announcement, the English version shall prevail. Users in the UK and other restricted areas cannot access all or part of services. Please read the user agreement for details about restricted areas. Please note that we do not intend to solicit or market to customers in such restricted areas. Gate.io has the final right to interpret this event. Okay, guys, now our stream has ended. Now I am going to close this stream and we will be in next day. Thank you very much for watching my stream.